Give me a bit of my wolves. What's up, my YouTubers? Split with Klaus here, and we have a warning in Tennessee. We got a thunderstorm warnings and a tornado watch in Tennessee. So it is what it comes up with it. So let's get into that. With that storm, it's gonna, I don't know where it goes, and I don't care where it goes. So let's get on to it.
Pulled out for refusing to elect a Speaker of the House for the first time in 100 years. I mean, that's a big statement, Martha, and it certainly looked like this heading into this vote, and now the reality.
What are you gonna do with the thunderstorms and the tornado watch?
I'm just gonna sit here and wait on it, buddy.
And
Ain't nothing I can't stop it. So why worry about it?
tell everybody that's a news report.
Afternoon report. You can't stop a thunderstorm and you can't stop a tornado, so why worry with it? Just take your chances and be safe. That's all you can do.
Well, it's still raining outside, and I hope we'll be a better day tomorrow than that. But anyway, before this, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And let's get started with those goats. Okay, so it was raining outside earlier, but it's been like, let's see, about 12. It was 12 o'clock too. Now I take video right now at 3 o'clock now. And whatsoever. So oh no. So wet. Oh my god. So much water. Okay. Okay, hold up a minute. I felt cautious at the mud and somehow in some way it will notice that. Why you been out in the rain? Why? Okay, there you go. Okay. What? Still had it. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi.
Alright, let me get Mary and Lucy and that other one. And you wait out here though, because you're going to go in there and close that gate. That last one when they get in there, okay? Yes, I will.
Why am I allowed to go in the gate?
Mary, come on.
Okay. There's Summers. It's Tippy.
Come on, Mary.
There's Summers.
Mary. Come on.
Hey.
No, not you. Not you. Come on, Mary.
Hey, Summers.
Mary, come on. Mary, come on. Mary, come on. Come on, girl. It's okay. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, Mary. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Are you okay? Sweetheart. Are you all right? Mary.
You want to go in now? No.
Oh, Lord, my shirt.
And she's still pregnant. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe for more videos. And Happy New Year's to y'all. And God bless you all. Blue Wolf Claw is out.